Hello guys, my name is Ayush and in this Fun with MATLAB video, we will be seeing the basic animation of an aircraft as well as learn about some terms relating to aircraft aerodynamics. Have you ever wondered about how does an aeroplane fly? Aeroplanes fly because they are able to generate a force called lift, which normally moves the aeroplane upward. The lift of the aircraft should always be greater than the weight of that aeroplane to keep it flying in air. This lift is produced by the forward motion caused by the engines. Now let us talk about yaw, roll and pitch. These parameters arise because flying on an aeroplane is 3D motion and has more complexities compared to motion on a car in a straight road. Roll. This is also called as banking of the aeroplane, and the ailerons move in opposite directions to manage the airflow, helping the aircraft to change horizontal direction. Yaw. This is similar to banking in the sense that the aircraft changes the horizontal direction. However, instead of ailerons, the rudder moves left or right and stabilizes the aircraft. Pitch. This is done by the elevators and they help in increasing or decreasing the altitude of the aircraft. It has no horizontal components. Roll, yaw, and pitch together are called attitude of the aircraft. From the statistics, we can see that only 6% people have subscribed to our channel. Please do not do this. If you are a viewer, subscribe to our channel. It will be a great help to us. Please support us. Let us get to the MATLAB code for running the animation. Here, we have initialized the animation with the fundamentals. We have taken the frames per second to be 60 for a smoother animation and the time scaling to be 5. As this is a part of the aerospace toolbox, we already have the model for our aircraft which is already stored here. We have located the aircraft model and the commands h.show and h.play are used for playing the animation respectively. Thank you for watching this video. Do like this video if you found it helpful. If you have any queries, post them in the comments or get in touch with us. Follow us on LinkedIn, Facebook, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Education is our future. MATLAB is our future. Happy MATLABing!